All right, guys, here she is. Come here at an angle, there's no other way to do it. Sounds good, doesn't bog at all. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out this weekend. All right, with that, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. She is going to be running good. I can't wait to test her out. We're going to take her out. So if you guys want to see more content like this and see the next video, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to see the next one of it running, hit that notification bell.